Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. So with Chainlink, we have moved up quite a bit. We've moved up quite a bit. So since we hit my target area, we've moved up here based on trading view here 12%. Let's zoom in. So basically, Chainlink is still in this WXY pattern, which forms part of a wave 2 correction. Based on the elite wave count, my elite wave count here, we've moved up in a wave 1, like many other cryptos in May 21. After that, we did not make a new all-time high, which is fine. Yeah, this is a normal correction as you would normally expect it. Also in a wave 2, this target area between the 88.7 and the 78.6% FIB level was defined already back in December for you. We've come into it, nothing unexpected. And we are now, let me just hide that moving average there. We make that a bit larger. We are now in this WXY correction, which is just a complex correction, double zigzag pattern. We are now in the Y wave, and within the Y wave, we are forming an A, B, C. Now, where are we within this C wave? So I go to the 1 hour chart for that purpose, and what I did, one of the recent videos, I gave you the wave here, that wave 5 target area is target box to possibly finish off this correction. You can see we hit the target area, and since then we've already moved up quite a bit. So to that peak, it was 40%, and we've come down since then and moving up again, moving up 27% from the low at the moment. So anybody who bought here is in profit. However, and I told you this could be the area where we are finishing off the correction for Chainlink. I'm talking about the higher level wave 2 correction. And it's, it is very hardly possible to specify that now any further. Yeah, I mean, the elite wave method has allowed us to expect a price area of this type. Yeah, we've been looking at an 11 to $6 Chainlink basically for the last 6 to 7 months. We've now reached it, and now it's all about, since we reached it, theoretically the low could be in. Now then we analyzed it further, and it became likely that we would make another lower low, which we did. Yeah, very slightly lower low, or even triple bottom, you could argue. A really, really possible scenario for a reversal. Yeah, and based on that, my scenario would be fulfilled. We came after 7 months into this target area. We hit then this target area here for the wave 4. We then hit the target area here for the wave 5. Yeah, because, you know, I can give you a higher level target area where it's most likely to reverse. And then when you come closer to it, then what we can do, we can specify that a little bit further, which we did here for this wave 5. And now we can only drive on site. I said that in a Bitcoin video because we have completed the scenario. And now we need to be a bit patient. Yeah, we need to be a bit patient. Anybody who doesn't want to be patient and wait for confirmation that the downtrend is over can, of course, put some funds in. Yeah, if you want to buy Chainlink, this might be the time for you, because it depends. You know, if you want to wait for confirmation, you have to be a bit patient, because there are certain levels that Chainlink needs to go above to get that confirmation. And if you buy now with the hope that the downtrend is over, personally, I would always use a stop loss. Yeah, especially in the current market environment where we certainly could drop another 40 to 50%, because the yellow target area here stretches all the way down to $2.40. Okay, so what could that be here? So first of all, we had an ascending broadening wedge. Yeah, that broke out to the downside as expected, and we basically made a triple bottom. So the first target for such a wedge is always the beginning of the wedge. Now again, we came pretty much down to that level, and we're now going up. This could be theoretically a breakout pattern. Yeah, it could be. This could be a leading diagonal in a wave 1. This might be a wave 2, and we might now be in the wave 3. So that explains why we could have an overlap in this wave here. It would be rare though, an expanding diagonal as a leading diagonal. Especially those expanding patterns are quite rare anyway. But let's say this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2. We would then expect a wave 3 next, then a 4 and a 5. Basically what we need to see to confirm the downtrend is over is a 5-wave move up, and ideally what you want to wait for is that first ABC wave down, which will happen. You know, I don't know how much it will come down, but at least to the 38.2% FIB level, normally even lower. Okay, so this is what we would wait for, the higher low at the end of this correction. The wave 1, here a larger wave 1, and then a wave 2. Okay, so this is possible. Downtrend, end of the downtrend is technically now absolutely possible. So don't complain, yeah, if we go up to $20, $30, and you didn't buy. And I'm not telling you to buy, but I'm not chasing the low, I can tell you that. So this is for me the area. If I want to buy, I buy. Okay. What else? However, you know, what are the rules in TA? Yeah, or even just by applying the elite wave method. As long as we are still in a downtrend, we have to assume the movement continues that way. So I currently don't yet have a compelling case to make here for the end of the correction. I can see a triple bottom, but is that really evidence that the downtrend is over? No. But it is an indication. Yeah, absolutely. It is worth looking at this very closely now. And if I want to speculate that the downtrend is over, then I put here some bits in and I move a stop loss. You know, I add a stop loss to all of this. Okay, this is what you can do. It's up to you. But what is important now? It is important for that wave 3 that you can see on the chart to reach the 1.618 Fibonacci extension of the wave 1. Where would that be? That would need to be at least $8. Well, let's say $9. Let's say $9. But then we get to something else which is very important, which is this level here, the wave 4 high. So this is at around $9.60. So a move above $9.60 coupled with an impulsive move to the upside would be best evidence to complete, you know, for saying and to make a case that the correction is over. So at the moment, while a move up is possible or an end of the correction is indeed possible, everything, the whole scenario has been perfectly fulfilled with Chainlink, yeah. And while it is possible that we bottom out here, for me the evidence is not good enough to call the low here and to call the bottom. For me, I want to see an impulsive move up, an ABC down, and a move above that wave 4, yeah. Maybe I don't need to wait for the ABC. We'll see how the structure looks like. Really, the best evidence we can get now is a move above that $9.60 level, the wave 4. And then we take it from there. Until we don't reach that, I'm not very confident that the low is in. This can still be very, very likely just a corrective pattern. How could that be? It could be that this indeed was not the wave 5 yet. It could be that the wave 5 is just part, that this wave 5 splits again, obviously in 5 waves, which it does anyway, but we can count here 5 waves down. So I can count all of this also just a wave 1. This could be the wave 2, and we might now be in the wave 3, or the wave 2 isn't even finished yet. This is all still possible, and therefore to invalidate this downtrend, just to explain, to invalidate this downtrend, this impulsive move down, that is why we need to make the move above the $9.60 level. If we move above $9.60, that downtrend is not possible like that anymore. I cannot count it anymore because the wave 2 is not allowed to move above the beginning of the wave 1. Okay, so that would take out that possibility. Good, and that's my view about Chainlink. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel, membership, and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.